Hi Summoner War. Hi YouTube guys. Today is quite a good day because we'll be summoning as a group all our Mystic Scrolls, and hopefully we'll be able to get something good lah. As you can see, we set this day to try to get all the things in order, and yeah, we saved up quite a number of Mystic Scrolls. Hopefully our guild will be able to get as many natural 5s as we can. For today, I will first be making most of my natural my 5 stars. I'm trying to make some 6 stars today. Basically 6 stars. I've been saving up food for months now. As you can see, all the 4 stars are saved up for this time, so I have to clear some before I even start summoning the scrolls. So I think let's just get down to it. We just get it done quickly. Okay, let's see. My whole guild is summoning. First pool. Light horror. Wow. Okay, that's very nice. So they see that. Okay. Go. Let's go. Okay, so yeah, so let me start clearing out some of the monsters first. Better start while the strike while the iron is hot. Get all the stuff out of the way. Okay, my natural force all here. Hello. Yeah, okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's get this food out of the way. Some of you may or may not agree that some of the choices I'm making, but I'm going with what I'm most comfortable with. At this moment, I'm trying to get this up. This one, yeah, I accidentally made it into a food. Level up my food even. But I should be okay lah. Yeah. Okay, there's another one. Okay, summon all this shit. I think I will segment this front part of this video for today to be for just to make all my fodder into to main fodders. Okay, there you go. Summon this shit. Oh yes, I think it'll be popping up everywhere now all over the channel. Let's see and check back, see whether they're doing anything. Yeah, okay, let's go get this up. Okay, I'm been first focusing on making my Theomas and my Vermos and my Theomas into a 6 star. I was considering upping some of the others first, but since I have that maxed out already, my skills, I'll be doing that first. So let's see what else. What else can I make for I think this one also. I was considering making this into a 6 star for the Necro dungeon, cause he has 2 heals. And the speed wise, it is a real problem in there. Okay, where's all my fodder again? 2, 3, 4. Okay lah, can lah, whatever. Okay, say do this one. So my food is so fast gone. I don't really care much about these two. Okay, they are gone. Wonderful. Okay, let's see. This one, no, should I? 1, 2. It doesn't matter. 2. I need some more, I think. Okay lah, this one goes next. Okay, draw out some food from there. I see Cray. That's on Diana. Hey, what am I doing? This one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Yeah, okay. Okay, next one is Vampire. Got quite a lot of summons to do also, so hopefully I'll make as much space as I can. 1, 2. Where's the others? 3, 4. So, this one is locked. Why is it locked? Just never mind lah. Goodbye. I don't really have time to. Okay, good. 2 4 stars. Did they get? Okay, next is this one. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. Okay, good. That's the first one. Okay, good. Wonderful. Thank you very much. Okay, next is I was trying to throw this away also. I think I'll throw it away now. Yeah, here goes. This gone. Okay, it's a rare for aesthetic purpose. I feel, cause you have to kill the guy in order to heal up, and doesn't much defensive stats, defensive ability. So yeah, it's only for aesthetic purposes only. Okay, what is next? I was thinking of making my Aman also. No. Yes, I know. I was going to awaken this guy. Awaken. Let's check that. It's still running. Okay. 5. Let's see. Okay. What else can I feed for food? I think I should hold on to the rest. This one I want to make it a 6 star. I should make this into a food. Let me see if there's any fire. Just forget it. Okay, let's see. Nothing legend gave me. Okay, so I have 5,000 over crystals. In my next video I'll be changing all into summons. Maybe I should do something else. What else can I do? See, one foot only. Was so slow. I seriously thought it would be faster than this, seeing as to how long it took for me to make so much food. All for nothing. Not fast enough. Fire samurai. Should I make him into a food also? Okay lah, tell you what, I'll be summoning in the next video. I'll be rearranging stuff as well. So yeah, I'll be segregating again all the rubbish here and there before I start my next bout. Okay, thanks. Bye.